Hello everyone, I am Surendra Jain, Master Teacher in Vedantu. We are discussing paper of KVPY 2020 SX stream. This is question number 8 from the topic matrices. Question says let A be 2 into 2 matrix of the form A equal to first row AB, second row 1 1, where A and B are integers and B lies between minus 50 to 50, both inclusive. The number of such matrices A such that the inverse of A exists and A inverse contains only integer entries is. Then we are given 4 options. Now to solve this question, first of all we should understand that as A inverse exists, so its determinant, that is determinant of A, should not be equal to 0. And also because A and B are integers, so determinant of A will be integer. Now because A inverse also contains integer entries only, so its determinant also we can say will be some integral value, because if all entries are integer, their product will be integer, and any integer if added or subtracted to any other integer will give you integer. Now because of one very important property of matrices, that is if we multiply the determinants of A with determinant of A inverse, it should be equal to determinant of identity matrix. So it should be 1 only. Now because they both are integer and their product is 1, which means each values should be either 1 1 or minus 1 minus 1. There is no other value possible if product of two integers is 1. So here this A minus B will be equal to either 1 or minus 1. Okay, so that is one way of concluding that what value of A minus B should be. Now let me tell you one more way of looking at this thing. This A inverse, as we all know, very important result, it is 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. Okay, now 1 upon determinant of A means A minus B in the denominator, and adjoint of A for 2 into 2 matrix, it is direct. You interchange the diagonal entries and put minus sign on the other entries. You can look at this by taking cofactors of individual elements also, but I think this is one direct method we can conclude. Now because A inverse has all integral entries, so A minus B should divide 1 also. Okay, and A minus B should divides minus 1 also, and also it should divide minus B and minus B and A. So here A minus B can be only 1 or minus 1. So same thing we have concluded earlier also, here also. Now because B is between minus 50 to 50, okay, so as B has 101 possible values, because it takes values from minus 50 to 50 including 0, so 101 possible values, and A has 2 values for each B. Why I am saying so? Because A minus B can be either 1 or minus 1. So A will be either 1 more than B or it will be 1 less than B. Okay, so total, so number of ordered pairs A comma B will be 101 into 2, that is 202. In fact, these ordered pair A comma B will constitute exactly one determinant A, because second row is fixed. So number of possible A will also be same thing, that is 202. Okay, so answer for this should be 202. Let us see. Yeah, in the C option they have given this 202. So this completes the solution of this question. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for more questions. Bye.